right, today we're going to read How the Cold War Saved Marvel and Birthed a Generation of Superheroes. And we're going to do a close read today. So remember, you should take the time to pause me while you answer the questions that I ask to be better prepared for the end task, where you will be asked to write several paragraphs, or at least a full paragraph, and include several pieces of text evidence. So go ahead and do a contiguous first read and pause me while you do that. And then we're going to go back and look more closely at specific paragraphs. All right, so you should have taken the time to go ahead and read that text. If you haven't done that, go ahead and pause me while you do that. Today we're going to be looking at just analyzing what a text says, and then we will be supporting our conclusion about the text using text evidence later. So let's first look at paragraph 1, which I have numbered every 5th paragraph on this just to make it a little bit easier to navigate. So my first question, again, write the answers, please. What words in this paragraph show the power of comics and comic book characters? What is the meaning of the first paragraph? And why did the author begin with this information? Next, we're going to look at paragraph 2. What words in this paragraph show the political ties of superheroes? And I came up with a lot in this paragraph. Again, what words in this paragraph show the political ties of superheroes? Why did the author include this many examples? All right, when you finish that, we're going to go look at paragraph 6. So I'm going to go to 5 and then go one further. So it's the supposedly paragraph. What words in this paragraph describe the Fantastic Four? How does this compare to other superheroes? What might Marvel have been attempting to do with these negative qualities? What does this have to do with the Cold War? Remember, the title of this article is How the Cold War Saved Marvel. What were they doing? How does this have to do with the Cold War? All right, next we're going to look at paragraphs 10 and 11. So it's these two, his day job, all the way to unless we want the commies to beat us. What are the main differences between Green Lantern and the Fantastic Four? Remembering that Green Lantern is a DC character and the Fantastic Four is Marvel. I had to look that up. Why does the author point out that difference? I don't know if you took the time to read this, but it's the Fantastic Four. All right, now we're going to look at this whole section, the most feared man in all of Asia. So that's 13, 14, 15, and 16. In these paragraphs, what other superheroes are mentioned as resulting from the Cold War? And there's a lot of them. Well, there's several of them. How does the inclusion of these characters in the article help prove the writer's point? All right, and then finally, we're going to look at 20 and 21, which is these two, the superheroes who came in from the colds. How did Marvel adapt to the changing times? In paragraph 21, what conjecture does the author make about the future of Iron Man? All right, and then finally for our end task, and this is where I want you to write at least a paragraph and include several examples from the text, remembering that our clear learning target for today is to cite evidence to support your conclusions when you analyze what a text says. How did Marvel pursue relatability through the Cold War? So relatability as in like relating to the people who are reading it. Once you finish that, you are done for the day. Have a good rest of your day.